Era Z group period sleeping all of you daily attending less members only.
No, ma'am.
What
No,
no?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next topic, prevention of mental illness. Okay, here main different types of prevention, like a three levels of prevention. Like here now we'll discuss first one. What is main prevention of mental illness? Here, 1 minute. Okay, main here, the concept of community mental health has got great response in dealing with the client's mental disorder. Main this community mental health services one of the great response. Why means great response? Because of this community mental health services, people, nurses, they dealing of the patient mental disorders. Whoever have to the mental disorders, that time this community mental health services dealing. That's a very good, great response of this prevention of mental illness. Main community health movement has been considered as a re-evaluation in the field of psychiatry. In whoever affecting of the psychiatry problem, that re-evaluation of the field psychiatry means whoever psychiatrist people is there, that people's may re-evaluation means identification of the particular problem, like what they have the problem in community areas, which psychiatric problem have, what main condition, this annual re-evaluation of the field of psychiatry related in the community peoples. Main here one person is there, Kaplan. This person Kaplan is discussed of the three levels of prevention, means like here three levels is there na, means public health model, means how to you can maintain the health in the public way, like that they will discuss it. Main here three, primary, secondary, tertiary. Primary means primary prevention aimed at reducing of incidence of new cases. Whatever the psychiatric new cases increasing means that time automatic this primary prevention reducing of the new cases. And completely screening and diagnostic evaluation. They're completely doing of the screening and diagnosis observing. Means in doing of the diagnosis means easily the identification of the particular problem now. After diagnostic evaluation means evaluation means feedback. What is the main problem, like that you can take up the feedback after diagnosis. You can provide the health education to high-risk groups. Whoever getting up the high-risk problem, that time you can provide the health education. Here, role of mental health nurse in primary prevention. See, main nurse's role in the primary prevention in during antenatal period. Antenatal period means in pregnancy period time. In during pregnancy time, nurses main educate the family about importance of antenatal care, how to pregnant ladies take care about the in pregnant time. This under total you can educate to the family members and educate the family and community peoples regarding good antenatal care, how to you can take care of the care in the community people's pregnancy ladies. This under about the good antenatal care in the community areas, you can explain to the, you can encourage to the, educate to the family members and community peoples. And that nurses, that time you can identify the high risk mothers, any problem, psychiatric problem, thyroid problem, hypertension, tuberculosis, this any high risk mothers have to the any condition, just nurses you can identify in the pregnancy time. And encourage the mother to go for antenatal visit. You can encourage to the mothers go for visit means like the daily checkups. You can because of antenatal, some antenatal mother they're going to the 5 months once, 4 months once. You can tell to the monthly, weekly, you can go for, you can check up to the antenatal visit. That time you can they will doctors, they will tell what happening, anything happening, any health problem, this and all they will explain doctor. That's why you can encourage the mothers to go for antenatal visit. Next, to encourage and motivate mothers or couples to go for institutional deliveries. Why you want to encourage to the motivate mothers and couples means because of in industrial the institutional deliveries. It means institutional some areas good institutions hospitals is there. Na? In that hospital institution only you can get the deliveries because of that institutional they'll providing up the healthy facilities. They will providing up good healthy facilities. That's why you can encourage to the mothers and you can motivate to the mothers and couples. You can go for get the delivery in the institutional because of the institutional they take care of the properly. They providing of the good healthy facilities. And main nurses is tell provide healthy nutrition to the pregnant mothers. Whoever in pregnant that mothers, that time you can nurses they provide to the good healthy nutrition. That is a during antenatal period. And second one, during childhood. 1 minute. In during childhood means in during child time, like a infants, like a children's time. That time nurses you can educate the parents regarding growth and development. How to you can maintain the growth and development to the you can educate the parents because of sometimes parents not providing a good nutrition to children. They can't growth and development properly. That's why you can educate to the parents regarding of the growth and development. You can monitor appropriate. Nurses you can observe to the milestones. Milestones means like a physical skills, walking, running, sitting, standing, exercises, how they have the skills, means growth and development are not body. This and all you can observe the milestones. Means age stage, age increasing time, how they have the developing capacity. They're developing or not, they have the physical activities and physical skills have or not. Just you can observe in the milestones. And encouraging the mother to develop good relation between the mother and child. You can encourage to the mothers. Means what you can encourage? You can maintain, you can develop up the good relation to the mother and child. And main that nurses involve of the family members in planning, implementing care to the child and other family members. Main nurses will involve in the family members. Why means whatever they planning, whatever related healthy maintaining of the children, that time nurses will involve in the family members. They planning, implementing of the care of the child. About child care, they're implementing and doing of the planning. That's why you can involve to the family members also. Whenever you nurses providing of the care, that time family members also you can involve in the about child care. And nurses ask family members to have adequate supervision of the child to prevent accidents. In case in home children is there, na, suddenly they're walking, suddenly fall down, in bed to down, fall down. In case in weaning, in case water tub is there, means suddenly they're drowning, not weaning, drowning. Suddenly they're going up the inside of the water. Like that, any accidental getting means that time you can ask any family members, anybody have supervision to the prevent of accidents. In case some supervision people is there, like a personally they'll take care of the child only. That's why you can ask family members, anybody is there supervision like a preventing of the accidents to the children. And provide healthy nutrition to the children. So you can tell to the family members, provide the good nutrition to the children. And assist in providing security of the child. You can observe and you can assist of the, you can provide to the one security to the child. Because of child they can't maintain anything, no, only you can take care of and you can protect of the child. That's why you can provide to the one supervision person security, you can to the send to the child. Means because of security not there, means that time what happened, child will get the some problem, child will fall down, child will get the accidental. That's why you can conducting of the provide to the security. And assess the child in scholastic performance, how they having of this in school performance, they doing or not, how they have the activities, they're participating or not, total you can observe in the in schools. And encouraging children to follow norms of their respective culture. You can encourage to the children, you can follow up the your culture. See, some children you not encouraging me, some children they're not following up the same culture. And that's why you can encourage to the children, you can follow up the respective culture. That is a during childhood you can provide the like a health services. Next, during adolescence, like a 13 to 18, 12 to 18 age people's time, we can ensuring harmonious relationship among adolescents and other family members. You can ensure means you can encourage to the relationship among the adolescents and family members. In adolescents is there in family members, grandmother, grandfather, adolescents, adult, old age, children, so infants, so many people is there. Like that, you can encourage to the family members. You can maintain a good relationship with the adolescents peoples. And enriching the family members about different coping mechanism which can be utilized to deal with the stressful situation. Whenever children, adolescents, they have in the stressful situation time, that time family members only you can deal with the particular situation time. In case family members not dealing means what happened? The adolescents only get the problem. That's why family members only you can deal, you can solve of the problems. And encourage the adolescent to develop positive attitude towards self and others. You can encourage to the adolescents, you can get the good positive attitude yourself only. Because of no self positive attitude means they can't move up the anywhere. Yes, sir, that's in future also they want to get the good future means they have to the self positive attitudes. That's why you can encourage to the adolescents, you can get the improve of the self positive attitudes. And assess the them in scholastic performance. Same in school also how they're doing of the performance, and provide counseling services especially during adolescence period. Whenever in during 12 to 18 age time, you can provide the good counseling services, especially main that age time only very important services. And meet the emotional needs of the adolescents. You can provide to the emotional needs also. In case some people not have the proper emotional capacity also, they don't know what is meaning of emotional, just you can meet and you can consult to the any emotional needs have the or not adolescents. And inculcate good habits adolescents. Inculcate means just you can maintain of the good habits among adolescents. Because of in adolescent increasing age time only they will get to the sometimes bad character because of they can't listen of the parents words. That's why some peoples will get to the some problem. That's why you can inclusion means here 1 minute. See here, include means like you can give the instructions. Good instruction you can provide the about good habits among adolescents. How to you can maintain the good habits. This and all you can give instruction to the childrens. And like adolescents, give adequate time to the adolescents. The family members main give to the adequate to time because of they can't expression of the feelings or anything. That's why you can give time, freedom, free time you can give to the adolescents. And assist that nurses assist help him her deal with the stressful situation. Whenever adolescents have to the stress, that time main assess you can nurses you can observe and help to the adolescents. And encourage adolescents to develop healthy peer relationship among friends. You can encourage to the adolescents people. So what you can encourage to develop healthy peer relationship. Peer means group, one of the friend relationship among the friends. You can develop and maintaining of the good friendship to the friends. Like that, you can encourage to the adolescents. Encourage the parents to allow their child to express feeling and emotions. Main family members, parents, you can give allow to the express of the feelings of emotions. See, sometimes parents getting up angry. Whatever the children's expression means, that time the parents will get the angry means how the children, how the adolescents they will express of the feeling emotions. That way, you can assess, you can encourage the parents, you can give time to the children, they will express of the emotions, feelings to the parents. That is it during adolescence. Next, during adulthood. Adulthood means like a 20 to 40 years. Okay, that people called as adulthood. Here, assisting the client and family members in carry out the activities. You can assist to the client how they have the activities are not in family members also they carrying of the are not activities. How what they have activities this and all you can assist to the client and family members. And educate the family members regarding misconception related to mental health. Means you can educate to the family members any opinion related of mental health, mental illness. In case the adolescents any getting adulthood any getting of mental illness, this and all you can opinion you can take into the family members. And after you can taking up the any opinion, they have the any problem, immediately you can provide the treatment facilities in the community family members. Whoever the community affecting of the mental illness, that time you can provide the good treatment facilities. And next, nurses, you can encourage family members to achieve independence and carry out their own activities. You can encourage to the family members, you can carry up the own activities. See, some adulthood and some family members depending to the other family. That's why just you can encourage to the family member, don't depend into the any others. Just you can carry up the your own self activities. This and all you can encourage to the family members. And encourage the parents to allow their child to express feeling and emotions. Same, you can you can encourage to the parents, give time and space to the about expression of the feelings and emotion to child. That's why you can give more time to the childrens. And assessing clients behavior and psychological needs, you can assess to the patient that behavior, how they have the behavior, anything psychological needs want or not, just you can assess to the patients. And help the family members to identify the needs of the children. That have family members, you can help to the children. So what do you want needs of the children, you can help and you can provide the whatever want children's needs. That is it during adulthood. Need to during old age. What is old age?
Ma'am, geriatric.
Ma'am, about
Yeah,
pediatric.
yeah, good. So, Sangeeta, see, during old age means like a geriatric above 40, above 55 to 60, like a above 50 to 60 called as old age, like a grandmother, grandfather. Like here, that during old age time, may encourage provision for warmth, acceptance, love, emotional support to the age. You can encourage to the family members or anyone. You can provide the good values to the old age people. You can accept of the whatever they say, and you can show love. You can support of the emotional support. This age peoples. Main this age people want main important. What do you want main important means emotional support, love, values. This are all main important. That's why you can encourage to the project to the get the good values, acceptance and love. You can show love. You can provide the emotional support to the this aged peoples. Next, encourage family members to take guidance and consult this from the age of family members. Take guidance means you can give guidance support to the family members. You can consult to the old age people. They have the any problem. What do you want? Any needs you want? This and all. Just you can consult and identify and provide the supporting and provide to the some needs to the old age people. That is the main responsibility family members. And ask the family members not to neglect elderly in family. I mean, just you can ask to the family members ask the family members old age people, anybody neglecting in our family, anybody not take caring or not. These are all questions you can ask to the old age peoples. And involved old age person is various activities such as a social gathering, family programs, etc. Means that old age persons also you can involve in the activities, whatever social gathering in society, whoever gathering and whatever family programs conducted, that people's involving or not also, just you can see and you can encourage to the old age peoples, you can involve in the social gathering and whatever family program conducting, that time also main important old age persons involving in the program time. This is a during old age. 1 minute. After finishing of the class, all are coming and joining. Okay, next one. Secondary prevention. Primary prevention finish. Next, secondary. Main secondary prevention aims at lowering the intensity and severity of the illness. Whoever affecting of the severity of illness, in that time early detection. You can do the early detection. Detection means diagnosis. You can do of the early diagnosis and you can promote of the treatment. That is a secondary prevention. Secondary prevention means only identification of the particular problem, that related problem, you can start the treatment. That is a secondary prevention. primary prevention before illness, before conditionally they take caring of the providing of supporting to the particular persons. Do take care like this. Before getting a problem, they will give up the primary prevention. Secondary prevention means once getting a problem, what main problem getting? Like you can diagnose of the secondary and you can promote of the treatment. Here, role of mental health nurse in secondary prevention. Main nurse's role. Encourage community leaders to have active participants in planning and implementing various mental health activities. You can encourage to the community leaders. You can come and participate whatever planning, implementing of the any services. Just you can encourage to the community leaders come and participate like. And provide training and education to community leaders. You can nurses, you can provide the training and education to the community leaders, because of in community leaders don't know how to provide the care also sometimes. That's why you can encourage and provide training and education to the community leaders. And nurses only you can provide training. And next to identify high risk cases in the community. What cases have I miss high risk, any high risk conditions have or not in the community, that nurses you can identify. And coordinating the care of patient. Whenever providing of care to the patient, that time coordination important. That nurses you can coordinate with the community leaders and other team members also you can coordinate and provide to the care of to the patients. And teach teachers regarding common early signs and symptoms in children. You can teach to the teachers way, like a teachers you can regarding common early signs of any signs and symptoms they're getting of the children. This and all you can explain it to the community peoples. And assisting other healthcare professional in making the early diagnosis of cases. Just you can assess of the healthcare means you can observe of the healthcare professional they're providing or not related of the early diagnosis. Once you can do of the early diagnosis, you can identify the particular case, what is the main condition. After you can provide of the health care to the whoever affecting of the diagnosis problem, means whoever affecting of the diseases. And liaising with the patients. Liaising means already I told you, liaising role means like one of the organization, total like a employee, officer, like a total maintaining of the leisure role only. That nurses liaison with the patients, relatives, and fellow professionals in the community treatment. Whoever want to provide the treatment to this patient, that time all people's very important in the treatment time, like a team members, nurses, leasing role nurses, relatives. So all members very important in the community treatment time. And attending regularly meeting to review and monitor patients care plan, means whatever they're conducting of the any program in that time all peoples you can attend the regularly meeting. Regularly they'll be conducting of the meeting. That time all members all you can attend of the meeting time. You can review means again you can show to the motor patients care plans, means how to you can take care of the care, what they have the diagnosis, planning or implementation and treatment. This and all just you can explain in the program time, meeting time. And organize various training and orientation programs for various groups. You can organize, just you can explain of the about training orientation. Orientation means total you can explain of the about program. This and all you can explain about the programs to the all groups. And main nurses carry out school health checkup to identify the abnormalities. The main nurses they'll checking up the school health checkups. Means daily they'll checking to the in the school children's, means what they have the any problem, identify to the abnormalities. Any abnormalities have are in the in school children's. This and all nurses will identify. That is a secondary prevention. Next to tertiary prevention. This is like one of the treatment. Tertiary prevention aims at lowering the disability and relapse, increasing of self-esteem and rehabilitation. The tertiary prevention, it can provide the disability and relapse. Whoever not have the capacity, that time you can give to the capacity and encourage to the patients and increasing of the self-esteem. Some people not have the self-confidence, self-activities also. That time you can provide tertiary prevention when increasing of the self-esteem values and rehabilitation. What is the meaning of rehabilitation?
Breaking of bad manners.
Yeah, good. Very, very good, ma. Rehabilitation means like recovering to the patient. In tertiary prevention only, you can provide the treatment. You can increase of the self activities. You can recover to the patient problem. Main here, Role of mental health nurse in tertiary prevention. What is main role of nurses in this tertiary prevention? Means assisting the discharged client in restoring the mental health of the client. Means restoring the client is a normally people means you can as observe and after you can discharge of the patient. And if family members with sufficient knowledge regarding various community resources which can be utilized in the meeting mental health care needs. Just you can conducting of the one program one program that time family members also involving. That time you can sufficient knowledge you can provide to the family members how to take care of the how to take care of the patient, how you can provide the some needs, how can you can provide of the treatment, and this and all you can sufficient knowledge you can provide to the family members regarding of the particular problem. And assisting in referral services, you can observe of the referral services, any services refer means they providing or not, which services main important, this and all nurses you can observe, you can assess of the particular whatever services you want to provide means immediately you can refer that services good means after referring means you can provide the services. And preparing family members to accept the client back in family, just you can prepare to the family members to accept the client back in family. See, some family members not accepting to the client because they have the any mental problem in the family members not accepting. That's why you can prepare to the family members, you can accept of the client and you get the in family members like one member like. Just you can encourage to see some people's not take caring of the children and not take care of the any patients. That's why you can encourage of the family members, you can take care of the your children or any person have in your family problem, health problem. Just you can take care like that, you can prepare the each family members. And assess the client in formulating long term goals, you can assess of the client means observe the client what the client have to the long term goals, any goals have or not, just you can observe to the client. And education and training of various procedure, you can education and training to the different procedures like to the family members for carrying of out for the client. About client take care the family members, you can provide to the education and procedures, you can tell to the family members because the family members only take care of the patient na? That's why total whatever procedures you can train to the family members. And encouraging family members and client for regular follow-ups, you can encourage to the family members and you can take up the client daily regular follow-ups, daily regular checkup whatever they're telling you can follow up the daily, like that you can encourage to the family members. After assisting the client in appropriate rehabilitation, you can observe to the client their recovery or not. And ensure continuity of mental health service for the community people, daily continually you can provide to the mental health services in the community people, whoever affecting of the mental problem any problem, that time you can provide the continually mental health services. And organizing community based programs to re-socialize and re-motivate the client, whatever organizing you can give organize, you can organization of the committee, what you can organize like a programs, re-socialize and re-motivate, you can re-motivate to the patient and you can provide the about society anything what's going up in the society, this under you can conducting of the program related of the community mental peoples, whoever affecting of the mental problems in the community, just you can organize, re-socialize, re-motivate of the client. And visiting patients in their home to monitor progress, main nurses you can visiting patients, you can visit of the patient their home means some in case the patient staying in hospital na, that time home peoples or family members they will come, they will visit. That's way that nurses also you can maintain the visiting of the patient their home to monitor progress, they want to observe and they want to see of the parents patients means you can give of the visiting time also, that is a role of mental health nurse responsibility in the nursery prevention time. Anybody have doubts?
Ma'am, primary prevention during adulthood, second one.
Okay, wait. During adolescence, see main during adolescence, huh? Sangeeta adolescence, huh? Sangeeta. Which one, ma?
Ma'am, during adulthood, second one.
Adulthood, second point, ah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, adulthood means may like a 20 to 40 years people. See, second point, educating the family members regarding misconception related to mental health, mental illness. Just you can educate nurses, you can educate to the family members. What regarding misconception? Misconception means opinion that mental health people's, mental illness people's, how they're thinking, how they have the activities, their understanding or not. This and all you can encourage to the family members. Means how they have the characteristics, habits, behavior, opinion, their understanding or not, how they're thinking. Total you can misconception related to mentally healthy people's mental illnessly you can observe to the particular client that you can educate to the family members because of only family members only identification of the mental health or mental illness na. That's why just you can give to the misconception. Misconception means opinion. How they have the opinion about mental health, mental illness. Just you can educate to the family members. They will give up the information. Yeah, some people's not understanding properly. These people have this character. Like that, they will only explain to the about particular patient in the family. After that related opinion only, you can start up the treatment and you can provide the facilities in the whatever available facilities you can provide to the whoever affecting of the fault problems, any abnormal behavior in the community. That time they only provide the treatment. That's why you can tell to the family members what main opinion, what is the main opinion in your client in the family. Just they will observe, they will give to the treatment facilities to the community whoever affecting of the mentally illness. Okay, na Sangeeta?
Yes, ma'am. But misconception means conflict.
Misconception means opinion. Yeah, like whoever like complications, abnormalities.
Okay, ma'am.
See, main here. 1 minute. See, is misconception related to mental health means normal people, sir. Mental illness means abnormal people. Just you can educate to the family member how they have the opinion. Mental health people like normally or abnormally. Just you can take up the opinion about to the mental health and mental illness. Once mental health person opinion, a good thinking, good character means nothing to happen. Once mental illness people's opinion like a faulty thinking.